There was a point where we were looking at fabrics and we had a certain combination, and the homeowner said to me, she said, Q, is this bad b-? And I was kind of taken aback. I didn't know that was the direction that we were working in. She said, I really want people to be able to come in here, and I want them to be wowed. I want them to think that this person took a risk. I want to be a bad b-. Siesta Key is an interesting little island. It's originally kind of like an old fish camp. It's been populated for quite a while, but it's been very simple for a really long time. So this is kind of like the peaceful side of the island, and I love that about, you know, going downstairs out by the pool. It's so peaceful. Being here this morning and yesterday morning as the sun rose, watching it come up across the calm, cool water is absolutely beautiful. These are treasures that the homeowner has found throughout travels, and then we've just made them work in the space. They love to collect. They love to find things in places and ship them back. It really is the curated effect. It's not a put on. It is actually that way. I think that kind of like in the beginning of in England when they started the arts and crafts period, I think that there was a glut of mass market product. You could buy something, but you would end up with the same thing as everyone else down the street. And I think we're kind of in a situation currently. It's good that you can go online and you can buy an expensive product, but that makes it even harder to be unique. So for me, the way to be unique, the way to have a product that's different is to hire a local craftsman, hire somebody that really cares about what they do, but you'll get something that comes with a memory and a relationship with someone, involving their opinions in it. Bringing them in early on, you know, not waiting until the last minute and saying, can you do this? Talking to them about, you know, is this product going to work well in this room? Is this fabric going to work well on this piece of furniture? And, you know, respecting their abilities and their talents.